Achieving a streak-free, shiny shower comes down to technique and the right materials used in the right order. Start by rinsing all soap and cleaner residue thoroughly with warm water, working from top to bottom so runoff carries dirt downward. Use a hand shower or a large cup to ensure full coverage. While the surface is still wet, squeegee vertical panels in overlapping strokes, then squeegee horizontal edges to remove remaining water puddles. This reduces mineral spots before drying. Immediately follow with a clean, dry microfiber cloth and wipe each section in a single, consistent direction to remove the thin film that causes streaks. Use separate cloths for glass, tile, and chrome so oils from one surface do not transfer. For chrome and fixtures, buff with a second, lint-free microfiber using small circular motions to restore shine without scratching. If you have hard water, apply a diluted vinegar spray of 1 part white vinegar to 3 parts water to break mineral films. Let it sit no more than 5 minutes. Then rinse and dry. Do not use vinegar on natural stone because it etches. For quick maintenance between deep cleans, mist a dilution of 2 drops of mild dish soap in a spray bottle of warm water. Rinse, then squeegee and dry. That light soap layer reduces immediate spotting and is easy to remove. Replace or launder microfiber cloths regularly in hot water without fabric softener so they keep their absorbency and do not redeposit residues. The most common mistakes are wiping with a damp, dirty towel that redistributes residues and leaves streaks, so always use a dry, clean microfiber and swap it out if it darkens. Another issue is skipping the squeegee step, which lets droplets evaporate and leave mineral rings. So squeegee as soon as you finish rinsing and follow with a dry cloth. People also use abrasive cleaners or acidic solutions on natural stone and grout, which damages surfaces. Use stone-safe products or neutral pH cleaners for stone and tile, and test any new product in an inconspicuous area first. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a space where we discuss product choices, techniques, and trade tips with other users. We help contractors find work by letting them engage with a community of homeowners and share their expertise in our discussion community.